to Culinary Museum. Today we are turning beetroot into a luxury experience. Let's dive in. Egg yolk, beetroot, ricotta, goat cheese, Parmesan, black pepper. Best goat cheese. Olive oil, garlic, chili. Then just gnocchi. And just broccoli around. And a bit of goat cheese here. Goat cheese also here. Pistachios. Then shaved truffle on top. So now we explain is we have the beetroot gnocchi stuffed inside with pesto and goat cheese and finish it with garlic and chili. On top we have the broccoli and we have goat cheese and black truffle, pistachio. And there it is, beetroot gnocchi with goat cheese, black truffle, chili garlic, olive oil, and pistachio. See you next time, Chef Mohamed Abdell, Culinary Museum.